Hi, Dr. Robert Reese. I'm a hair transplant surgeon at
Hair Restoration Institute of Minnesota.
I've been a full-time hair transplant surgeon since 1999. I'm a fellow of the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery, and I'm a past president of the American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery. I've been doing hair transplants for so long, and the only way that you survive in this profession is consistently delivering good results for people. Most people think that having a hair transplant is a cosmetic procedure, and I've never believed that. Some of the most difficult things that we experience in our lives deal with the psychology of loss. We lose a friend, we lose a job, or we lose our hair. And that's really difficult psychologically for us. I've always believed that the procedure was really reconstructive in nature as opposed to primarily cosmetic. It helps heal people from the inside by reconstructing their natural hairlines.
I know Dr. Reese from 2008. He's a really wonderful doctor, and he's really nice, polite doctor with the patients, also with the team.
The thing that sets Dr. Reese apart is not that his work is fast, it's that it's done right. Dr. Reese really invests the time with every single patient.
We'll make sure his patient gets the best result.
I've always seemed to have a great relationship with the patients. The patients know that the team and I work hard. They know, they can sense that we give it our all for their benefit. All of the patients look natural after the procedure. No one's going to be able to tell that you had it done. I've just always enjoyed the relationships that I've had with the patients. It's a lot of fun. Many of them I continue to see even out of the office. For the patients to come back and talk to me about how their lives changed, and that's tremendously gratifying for me.
Dr. Reese is one of the most accomplished hair transplant surgeons in the entire world, and we're so privileged to have him here at the Hair Restoration Institute of Minnesota.